What's up, everyone? So, $1 million is a lot of money, right? Well, how much does that actually get you when you're looking to buy a home? Behind me is a home for sale here in Arlington that's going for over $1 million. So, what I'm gonna do is show you the inside and outside of this home, and then at the end, if you can guess exactly how much this home is going for, I have a little giveaway for people. So stick around to the end of the video for more details on that. So, let's go check it out. From the second you walk in this house, you realize it's a home. With a living room and a fireplace, as well as a dining room right at the entrance, this house is designed for you to spend quality time with your family. Oh, and did I mention it has not one, not two, not three, not four, but 5 bedrooms. And honestly, I think calling this last one a bedroom is an understatement. With an open concept of having an office, entrance to your back patio, and basically what you can call another living room, as well as your bed, there is just tons of room in this spot. Also, as you go around the corner, I'm gonna have to do a run-in closet alert. A lot of people I talk to want walk-in closets, but with something as much space as this, you gotta give it another name. And that huge closet leads you all the way to your bathroom. And do you remember those stairs that were leading up in the middle of the room? Well, that actually leads to a whole nother loft area where you can have a coffee in the morning and enjoy and relax a good book. Plus, there's another room that I've never even seen before in any other spot, which is basically a hidden getaway. Now here you can see it's designed for kids, where I'm sure they had an awesome time having make-believe playtime, but it really could be repurposed for anything you can imagine. And if that wasn't enough, all the way in the basement, there's a whole nother living space with a fireplace, and this is where one of the 5 bedrooms is, with a full bath downstairs if you have relatives that are visiting in town. There's a laundry room with a whole bunch of space with a fridge there, and in the furnished room, you got a little workspace if you have to do any projects for the home. Making your way outside, you'll see that there's a path that leads to the backyard, which is honestly one of the coolest parts of the whole house. As you walk along the side, you see it opens up to a patio space that has tons of room for entertaining. So as you have friends and family over, you can grill out and have a whole party for them. Plus, there's actually yard space as well and a storage shed, which allows you to keep extra stuff there. And as you look up, you'll see that there's that railing that leads out of one room. Well, if you remember back to that huge room, there was an entrance to this patio space where you can actually sit out or walk around, and that leads you all the way to your driveway if you need to get out in a rush. It's honestly one of the coolest things I've seen. All right, so now that you've seen the inside, you've seen the 5 bedrooms, you've seen the 3 bathrooms, you've seen the run-in closet, you've seen the multiple living room areas and the updated kitchen, now's the moment of truth. Here's the deal. If you can go to my YouTube page and guess the exact amount of money that this home is selling for in the comments, I'm gonna be giving away a $25 Amazon gift card. No strings attached, just comment in the YouTube video, and if you're there, you might as well subscribe. But if you guess it right, I'll get your information and send over a $25 Amazon gift card, so check it out. All right, everyone, until next time.